How to delete accounts or profile on Nintendo Switch. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can delete accounts or user profiles on Nintendo Switch. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there could be many reasons that you might want to get rid of a specific user profile on your Nintendo Switch. Now depending upon the user profile you're trying to delete from a Nintendo Switch, you might have to first unlink a Nintendo account. So what you have to do is when you unlink a Nintendo account, the save data and software may be lost. So you also won't be able to play games on your Switch that were purchased with the unlinked account. So just select the option called System Settings from the home screen on your Nintendo Switch. Scroll down and select the users option right over here as you can see, and select the option called User Profile and just select the ones that you want to delete. Now what you have to do is scroll down and select Unlink Nintendo account at the bottom of the user profile. So just right over there you can see the option called Unlink Nintendo account. You can just go ahead and then tap on that image or that specific option respectively, and after that it may ask you to enter your PIN. So just go ahead and then enter your PIN and then select continue when prompted to confirm that you want to unlink the Nintendo account for the user profile. As soon as you've done that, again on the next specific page it will ask you for a confirmation button. So just tap on the option called continue. And once you do that, select unlink when prompted to confirm again. Now that the profile is no longer linked to a Nintendo account, if you want to fully remove the profile from your Switch so it doesn't appear at all, again what you have to do is similarly select the option called System Settings, and once you go to System Settings, go to Users and select the users that you want to delete or remove again, and this time you'll find the button that says delete user. Just tap on that one and follow the instructions. You may be asked to enter your PIN to proceed. Just go ahead and do that accordingly in order to delete an account from Nintendo Switch. And that's all it takes to delete accounts or user profiles on Nintendo Switch. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.